Naira is still losing value. Dollar is the hot cake now. Anyways, in this kind of conditions, there's always a lot of transaction, online payments, international payments, and so on. But since the limitation by central bank, there have always been issue when it comes to making payments by Nigerians online, especially international payments, the restriction, the limitations. But we have always bypassed this using virtual cards. But sometimes it's not a matter of having a virtual card, it's about knowing where this particular virtual card works. So, but in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a Geegpay virtual card, and I'll show you where I tried it and where it worked and where it did not work. So let's dive in. So without wasting much of time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, and to the old subscribers, you're also welcome back. So this is just 𝐀𝐻𝐿 speaking, and in this channel I just show you what I do online successfully, either to make money or to perform a particular task, and then you can get informed and copy it and do it for yourself successfully as well. Just how to do things online, and if you want to learn, you would like to subscribe and keep up with the channel. So talking about Geegpay is not like the best card to use anyways, but they offer a lot of other services that are useful. And most importantly, what led me to using Geegpay is I run online business like the KDP business, book publishing. So receiving money in dollar, their rate is good, and then but they have some little issues anyways. But in this video is just about showing you how to create their dollar card, and then at the end of the video I will also mention some of their shortcomings and things you like to avoid, in case just to avoid you being stalked and all that. So I'll just tell you things and you need to know. So let's just dive into how to create the card and where it works and where I've tested it did not work. Alright, so here we are on the Geegpay website, just geegpay.africa. You come to this, login. Alright, I have this is my dashboard, and we also get to know how much they charge for their card. By the left you see cards. Right, you can see I don't have card yet. Create a new card. Then here we are going to create a virtual card, and then going to be putting the name of your card here, and you have to choose a card brand here. I'll be choosing a MasterCard, a virtual MasterCard, and here, like I said, just put in the name of your card. I'll just put in my name. And then continue. Then okay, you can see their card fee is just $3, and then they asked amount to add in the card. Then just to know, the amount added to the card cannot be withdrawn through the normal withdrawal process. You can only use it to pay for something, like when you use the card for purchase, then the amount in the card can now be used, but you cannot like literally withdraw it out from the normal withdrawal process. That's what I know about that. So let's just add $5 for now, and then when I test and see that it's working on crypto, that's on Binance, I'll now add the amount I want, or let's just make it up to 10. Let's make it up to $10. Submit it. Okay, let's select wallet to debit from my USD, and then click on submit. We click on submit. Processing. It's processing, and then your new card will be ready for use in 5 to 15 minutes. Please keep an eye on your inbox for status on your card creation. Your inbox means your email. The debits have been removed. Now adjusting 𝐀𝐻 card creation and forwarding. Alright, let's check my inbox. Alright, I just received the notification that the card is ready. So we did this around 6:17, and then in 6:26 the card is ready. It's more like it's more than 5 minutes, but not up to 15 minutes. More like let's say 9 minutes or so. So here is the notification. Here is the notification. Your virtual card has been successfully created and now ready for use. Let's tap on it and open it. Okay, this time around is opening on the app. It's opening on the app. Okay, this is the balance I have remaining. Down below here, click on card. You can see the card. The fund is not showing yet. The fund is not showing yet. Let me go back. Alright, coming here on the side of that's on the website, the fund is showing here on card activity. It's showing $10, but here on the current balance is not showing. So I think we will move now to testing this card on Binance app and see if it will work. So stay tuned. If you're not understanding anything, don't fail to ask questions. Use the comment section. Remember, we are family here. Feel free to ask anything you want to ask to our card. So alright, let's just click on add fund. Let's add additional $5 and continue. Enter your password to fund card. It's processing. Still processing. Successful. Awaiting confirmation. Alright, the $5 is showing by the right, but not yet showing on the current balance. The $10 is now showing, so still be waiting for confirmation. While we wait for confirmation, let's just proceed to testing Geegpay card on TubeBuddy. So I tested it on Skrill, it failed. I tested it on Binance, it failed. So let's check TubeBuddy. So here we are on TubeBuddy. Right, I've confirmed the billing address which I filled in these details. So now to put in the card details and let's see if it will work. says insufficient fund. Go again. Apply. Details is still intact. Card number. Let's now see if it's going to work. Maybe Geegpay card will still be useful. I think I've submitted. Your order is complete. So it worked. The card finally worked. So you can as well test it in so many other places, but I've tested on Binance, it did not work. I tested on Square, it did not work. So you can drop in the comment section whichever place you yourself have tested and it worked, so that other people can find this helpful and utilize it in their own way. So thanks, and see you in the next video.